Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Amanda Christine. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new here, welcome back. So I've been trying to get this video done for the longest time. This is part of my Get Ready With Me birthday series edition, my anniversary day, solar day, New Year day, rebirth day, new beginning day. That is next Monday, August the 10th. And this week you're going to be spending the time with me to prepare for that day. So all this weekend I'm going to be making sure I do my own hair and nails. So let's get into today's video. This is a at-home facial spa. I purchased this from Amazon a few months ago. I just came across it and saw that, you know, it's a steamer. It's like a spa steamer for home, and I love skincare products. So I decided to purchase this. So this is going to be maybe a part 2. I'm going to record the unboxing now, but you will see me use every single last one of the items that's in here. I think it comes with like 17 pieces, but let's get into this unboxing. It tells you the benefits of this right here. You get the first thing I see is this cute little towel, and it says Vogue. Now it's actually like a headband, so you don't get your hair wet when you are doing your facial. Isn't this cute? Have some jelly masks. It shows the different types that comes with the spa kit. I'm just gonna open it. The Uber Nourishing Goji Jelly Mask. This is for skin brightening. So if you want dewy, luminous skin nourishing, this is that. This is the Replenish Moisturizing Biotin Jelly Mask. It comes with different types of masks. And I'm going to I'm going to use them today, one of them. Alright, so that's that. That's item 2. And honestly, I think I paid $59, $60, and then it was a coupon, only because of the color difference. The one I chose was that one was a baby pink color. So there's a light pink and a baby pink. I got the baby pink. This is a lifting moisturizing cleanser. So I haven't used none of this yet. I haven't even tried. Oh, it's on. So alright, I really think that this is going to be worth the $60 for yourself for a gift. The holidays are coming up, birthdays are always here. Just think of a new mommy getting this, you know, help her feel relaxed. Or even date night at home, I think that would be nice. So that is item number 3. Again, this comes with 17 tools. Let me see if I can actually find the book to go by. So this is the book. I did open this, but I didn't do an official unboxing yet, but this is the book. So it comes with your user's guide. This is for the facial scrubber. So this is your facial scrubber to thoroughly cleanse your face. And then the facial spatula, that's to deep cleanse. Alright, that's item 4. I'm gonna save that one for last. So then you have your versatile dermaplaning tool set. 2 comes in here. So be careful, sharp blade, don't rush, take your time. Use shaving gel, moisturizing lotion or cream on your face before shaving. Sweep your eyebrows eyebrow razor and the small strokes going in the same direction. So that means that was what, item 5. This is going to be, and it even shows you in the book how to do that. So if you are lost, all the instructions are within this little user's guide. Use a spatula, brush, and a jade roller. So it comes in here like this. Action toolkit. This extracts blackheads and whiteheads. The best for last, which is, I think I see where the towel chamber is at. Da, 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 da. She's so small and compact. Like, this would be so cute for a girls' night. Just, you know, imagine setting up maybe 4 of these, having maybe 6 of your good girlfriends, cousins, or whatever come over, and y'all have like a cute girls' night. Like, especially because the holidays are coming up, game night. Like, look at this. So I'm guessing, is this the towel chamber? We're gonna, let's see. So let me see. So I did just come across this though. It says what happens, or what will happen if I use tap water or any other water. So what other water are you supposed to use? Well, it tells you what kind of water they recommend, distilled or purified water. So I'm just trying to find if this is the towel warmer. Okay, so I do think that this is the towel warmer. I think it's just like a small, like little face towel that you could, you know, put in there while to warm up the towels to clean your face or whatever. I think this is the water capacity where you actually put the water. Not add any other liquid except purified water into the water tank. So I am definitely gonna put all of this to use. Now, might not all be today, but we are going to start the process today. Alright y'all, hope that you enjoyed today's video with the Vogue Now unboxing video for our steamer. If you are interested in today's video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, I will place the link down below. So again, thank you for being here with me today, and I will see y'all in the next video. And y'all take care. Bye.